My name is Kevin, and I'm currently having my internship in National Aerospace Passenger Corporation. So, NAFCO is a worldwide known manufacturing company for aerospace engine fasteners. So in NAFCO, I was assigned in the department wherein we focus on drilling and roughing the nuts. And what I learned in NAFCO is operating two types of machine. One is the company-owned mini table, and the other one is the internationally known Okuma. So the difference for that is how the pieces is transported in the machine. One, the Okuma uses robot hand, while the mini table uses conveyor. So I also learned different processes like tapping. Marking, sorting, rubbering, and different kinds of measurements and tool calibrations. So overall, my experience in NAFCO was worthwhile because it helped me shape. My capabilities, and that's all. Thank you.
大家好, I'm Nasanir. I also work at NAFCO, and as Kevin said, the main product of NAFCO is fasteners for airplanes and other aerospace companies. So in our first few weeks, we learned the operation of CNC lathe machines through teachings from our co-workers. But in the following weeks, we learned independently operating CNC lathe machines and milling machines. In my experience in NAFCO, I learned how to operate different CNC lathe machines and milling machines, assembly machines, marking machines, and I also learned how to use new precision measuring equipment such as projectors, form tracers, and others. To conclude my experience, I think this internship experience is a great experience to develop students how to be better individuals and produce great engineers. Yeah, that's all.
What's your comparison with the summer internship? What do you prefer?
My summer job was more about programming, so I think my present work is a little more hands-on on operating the machines. But I think both experiences are great.
So, hello, my name is健次郎, and I also work in NAFCO, or National Aerospace Passengers Corporation. So, I was assigned in operating milling machines and lathe machines. So, what we do is that each component for different purposes for the engines is that from raw material, we cut each of them so that it can be threaded and marked for the use of machines. So during that time, my supervisor was also a Filipino, so it was easy to learn how to operate and troubleshoot the machines. So that time, my supervisor taught me how to fix different problems for different machines, especially in lathe machines and milling machines. And we also operate robots for the machines like that. So it grabs each of the nuts and bolts. So it put it into the machine each time. So that the only thing we do is to check the sizes of each fastener and make sure that the quality and the sizes are all correct. So to conclude my experience, I learned very much in NAFCO, and I learned personal growth and how to discipline myself for the production of the different machines, and to fix how we can make ourselves better to produce more outcome and output so that we can contribute to the company. That's all. Thank you.
So, do you think any improvement we can have for the robotics?
There are certainly more improvements to be made for the production line so that we can achieve more, or at least near 100%, so that each company could profit more. That's all. Thank you.
I'm Walter, currently having my internship on NAFCO. I was assigned in the shank nut department, where we do some aerospace nuts that can handle high stress and high temperature for the engine of the airplanes. So I've learned a lot of new things. First of all, the time management, because I am working with 10 machines, and we need to calibrate it with different sizes and different formats. Working with NAFCO is quite hard, but worked well.
I'm Maynard Gonzalez. I'm currently taking up my internship in NAFCO. I am currently assigned in shank nut cell, same as Japet. I've been handling same as much as 9 machines like Japet. I was able to learn how to manage my time and learn basic commands in CNC machines. In working in NAFCO, not only taught me how to manage my time and learn basic machines, but also it taught me how to socialize with other people and adjust to their Chinese and Filipinos, because they have different personalities you have to adjust with. Not all workers in NAFCO are actually that good, so you have to adjust yourself. So I was able to do that, to maintain a good relationship in work. And also, I was able to learn that doing your job properly will surely, slowly but surely, will cause less problems in work.